So what I've done is I've put together a practice plan so you know what to do every day when you go practice so you can get better quicker. And I want to give that to you for free, okay? So click the link below and I will send you a free practice plan, all right? Until then, let's get to today's video. When it comes to mastering putting, one of the key things we have to learn is how to make a lot of putts in a row. And it just doesn't happen by accident, it's something you can learn how to do. And in today's video, we're gonna do just that. This video is brought to you by Odyssey and their new line of EXO putters. I'm using the EXO 7 model in this video. You've never seen a putter like EXO before because they've never made a putter like this before. It all starts with maximum forgiveness from their multi-material construction. With their legendary white hot feel and immediate roll, white hot is one of the most successful inserts of all time with its revolutionary feel, incredible sound, and iconic performance. They've taken white hot and combined it with proven micro hinge technology that creates immediate forward roll for more consistent accuracy and distance control. Be sure to check out the full line of EXO putters at the link in the description below. So this drill, what we're going to do is take 5 balls and align them in an arc about 10 feet away from the hole. And I like to do uphill putts and with very little break, a little right to left or just a subtle left to right break. So not a lot of break. What we're doing is learning how to make putts in a row. So from 10 feet, the goal of this drill is to make 5 putts in a row. If you miss, you start over at the beginning. And you start becoming more nervous the more putts you make. And this will help you master the art of making putts in a row. This is a major stroke saver out on the course. If you're having trouble getting the first one in, what I like to do is set up 2 clubs so I'm lined up exactly on that line and put my ball between there, and then I have a little aid on just the first putt. And that gets me lined up correctly, and visually I can see exactly where to start the ball. So I have a little help on that first one, and then from then on, I'm on my own. So start at 10 feet, then over time, start stretching out the distance to up to 15 feet would be the maximum I would do this drill. Work hard on this, it's a fun drill, and you'll start noticing on the course, you start making a lot of putts in a row. Good luck to you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you on the putting green.